If you're looking to run an Outgrow contest but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to launch a successful Outgrow contest, and by the end, you'll understand how to use this tool to drive engagement, generate leads, and ultimately boost your business. Stick around because I'm going to give you exclusive access to a free trial at the end that you won't want to miss. Outgrow is an interactive content creation platform that allows you to build quizzes, calculators, assessments, and yes, contests, all designed to engage your audience in a way that's fun and personalized. When it comes to running a contest, Outgrow makes it simple to create an experience that can increase your customer interaction, build your email list, and even help you segment your audience based on their responses. Let's break down how to run an Outgrow contest step by step. First, you'll want to sign up for Outgrow if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you'll be able to select from templates or start from scratch. For a contest, you'll want to choose the contest template. These templates are designed to make your job easier by providing a pre-built structure for the contest, leaving you to focus on customizing the look and feel, the prize, and the rules. From there, you'll be able to fully customize your contest. You can add questions, decide how users can participate, and set up the prize criteria. Outgrow allows you to make this experience as interactive as you want, from incorporating images and videos to integrating with other tools like your email marketing software, CRM, or social media platforms. Plus, it's all fully mobile optimized, so your audience can enter the contest from any device. When it comes to building the contest itself, you can choose to make it as simple or as detailed as you like. You can ask fun trivia questions, ask for contact information to qualify, or even offer bonus entries for social shares. One of the best features is the ability to create a seamless flow, so people stay engaged and want to continue participating. This is key for getting people excited about the prize and encouraging them to share the contest with their friends or on social media. Outgrow also provides real-time analytics, so you can track how your contest is performing, see who's entering, and adjust your strategy accordingly. For instance, if you see that people are dropping off at a certain stage, you can tweak your questions or change the call to action to keep things moving. Once the contest ends, you'll have all the data you need to follow up with the participants. You can send personalized thank you emails, promote relevant offers to your new leads, or even announce the winner in a way that continues the excitement. And don't forget, you can retarget the non-winners with special deals or exclusive content to keep them engaged long after the contest is over. Now, here's a key tip. Make sure your contest is connected to your goals. Whether you're trying to grow your email list, promote a product, or just raise brand awareness, tailor your contest questions and prizes to what will best support those goals. By the way, if you're new to Outgrow, don't worry, there's no need to make a big commitment right off the bat. You can use Outgrow completely free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. It's an incredible way to test out the platform and see firsthand how powerful it can be for your marketing strategy. Before I wrap up, here's a quick reminder. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you access to an exclusive and extended free trial of Outgrow, so stick around to claim it. Running an Outgrow contest is an excellent way to engage with your audience, build your email list, and grow your brand. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner.